technology enables companies to get visibility of what's going on in their physical processes. The main benefits are helping end users to reduce costs and to improve the quality of the business processes. And we do this by helping to create what we call smarter enterprises. So our technology provides better visibility about relevant business events happening inside their business. And this in turn helps these companies to act on this information that's creating a cost reduction and an improvement in quality. One of the fundamental innovations in our protocol is the energy efficiency. So all of the devices in our network can be powered either by a battery or by solar power, which means that no power cables are required to install a network.
One of the things we're very good at is battery life. Our products are constructed in a way that they use a minimum amount of current, of electricity, which is why our battery life is very good, and that's why we can guarantee that our products used for years and years will be still active on the original set of batteries.
Energy efficiency was and still is one of our key research goals. If you look into the energy consumption of a device, most of the energy consumed is consumed in the wireless communication. So communicating is really expensive. All our systems are turned off most of the time, and they only transmit when really needed, and also when the other side, so the receiver, is willing to receive it. So everything is really controlled and managed in such a way that efficiency is high and also reliability is as high as can be.
In many cases, these sensors have to stay active, even if they don't do something, in order to see what's going on. Ours are waked up at the moment when you need them, so the batteries are not used in the meantime.
Scalability is an important aspect from our system also. If you consider, for example, a distribution center in which you've got many trucks entering, many trucks leaving, a large area, lots of containers, lots of objects to be monitored, you easily encounter thousands, 10,000s of devices on a very small area.
Well, we define scalability in two dimensions. The first is scalability in size, and the second is scalability in functionality. And in both areas we provide quite unique capabilities. First of all, scalability in size. This means that the number of sensors that can be implemented in a single network, in our case, can scale to thousands of sensors. And this requires a very sophisticated networking protocol, and that's exactly what we have defined. So that's the first element of scalability, the ability to scale to thousands of devices in a single network. The second element of scalability is the functional scalability. With that we mean the ability to integrate different functionalities into the single network. So we're often seeing that a customer implements a network and start with, for example, what we call static monitoring. So he implements a number of sensors in fixed places, for example, to measure the temperature in all the refrigerated areas in a supermarket. But then he can scale that functionally to add other functional components to that same network. For example, he can start to track the location of assets that are moving around. For example, the location of shopping carts in that supermarket. So that's what we mean with functional scalability.